Dear colleagues and friends, we are happy to invite you to our 9th EndoSwiss meeting in Zurich on the 27th and the 28th of June.
Experts from all over the world will present to you the latest innovations in diagnostic and therapeutic endoscopy. Join us for
Endoscopic live demonstrations,
the EndoSwiss Innovation Forum,
the EndoSwiss Young Talent Award,
and the Don Wilson Memorial Lecture.
For the first time in Europe, EndoSwiss hosts NBIC's imaging teaching course.
Best would be if you're on site, but you can also catch our presentations and live demonstrations via a live stream on our website or in the EndoSwiss app.
Please
Join us in Zurich.